Yo, as you all know, I like Wmark NG X1 very much. And there are some clippers and trimmers that I like from Wmark, and there are some that I don't really like also, so it's normal. But right now, I'm going to present to you a brand new hair trimmer from Wmark. It's a Wmark with a model number NG8230. So it's a hair trimmer, and it looks like other trimmers that I know also. So I don't know if maybe this one is really good or not, but let's see. So stay tuned, man. All right. So, and here it's written it's a Dreamfire, high speed detailed trimmer, maximum 9,000 RPMs. Okay, comes with an extra blade. That's good. Okay, zero gap DLC blade, extra spare parts, 8 speed levels, 2000 milliamp battery. Okay, and here are the things that comes with it: guide combs, oil, little brush, cable, and cam follower also. Okay, and it's rating motor speed from 7,000 till 9,000 RPMs. So it got 8 speed levels. That's good. Charging time 2.5 hours. Operating time 240 minutes. Got LED display. Okay. Comes with either black or red color. So I took the black color. And now let's open it. It comes like this, as you can see. So a comb, the manual. So charging stand, and it's like this. A USB-C, as you can see. Okay, this is the charging cable, USB-C. Yeah, little brush. So I guess this is the extra blade. And the guide combs. Okay, okay, this is the extra blade. Okay. And you cannot zero gap this blade. Oh, okay, then I don't think I will like it. Okay, it comes with a tension spring also. Tension spring. You see. But I don't think I will like this hair trimmer because you cannot zero gap it. It might be good. I don't know. So this is the hair trimmer. Charging port. And is it zero gapped? This is the main question. So there are some people that like it like this, and there are some people who wants to zero gap it a little bit, just a tiny bit more. So since you cannot zero gap it, I don't know. So now let's make a sound check. This is the highest, so you can hear, and this is the indicator. So when you reduce it, then it's going down. So you can see, this is the lowest. and it seems bigger than the Instinct. It is bigger, right? Okay, it's a little bit bigger.